OdorErase filter not working in your Instant Pot Vortex? Here's what to check. If your Vortex still smells after cooking, or the filter light stays on, your OdorErase system might need attention. Here's how to check it, reset it, and replace it if needed. Step 1. Understand what the filter does. The OdorErase system uses a small activated carbon filter to reduce smells while cooking. It doesn't eliminate all odors, but if the smell suddenly gets worse or the filter light comes on, it's time to act. Step 2. Check if the filter is installed correctly. Remove the basket and look inside the back wall. The filter slot should hold a thin charcoal pad. If it's missing or seated wrong, the system won't work and may trigger the light early. Reposition it flat in the slot and close everything securely. Step 3. Reset the filter light manually. To reset the alert, hold the bake and reheat buttons at the same time for 5 seconds. The filter icon should disappear from the display. This works even if the filter hasn't been replaced yet, but it's best to do both at once. Step 4. Replace the filter every 45 cooking hours. Most filters last around 900 minutes of cook time. That's about 45 hours. If your fryer smells or the light keeps coming back, swap it. I use a charcoal replacement pad made for this model. It drops right in and keeps things from getting funky. If this helped you fix the OdorErase filter or clear the smell alert, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a replacement filter that fits right and lasts, I've linked the set I use below. It's made for this model and keeps things fresh without voiding your warranty. Thanks for watching, and breathe easy.